Welcome to Lakshmi's Chemistry YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about carboxylic acids. Today's topic is carboxylic acids. Organic compounds containing C double bond OH functional group are called carboxylic acids. These compounds have both C double bond O and OH groups. That means these carboxylic acids are having carbonyl and hydroxyl functional groups. These two functional groups combines to form a carboxylic acid. And carboxylic acids are having both the properties of carbonyl and hydroxyl groups. The general formula of carboxylic acids is RCOOH. The general formula RC double bond OH. Here R means alkyl groups or R means aryl groups. Next, nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Next, nomenclature. In nomenclature system, three systems in uses for naming of carboxylic acids. First one is common system. Common system. First one is common system. The common names of numbers, lower numbers are derived from the source of individual acids. Derived from source of individual acids. Source source of individual acids. Source of individual acid. For example, the formula HCOOH. HCOOH source from formica. That's why the common name is formic acid. Formica is present on red ants. And next CH3COOH. CH3COOH common name is acetic acid. The source from actum, nothing but vinegar. For example, CH3CH2COOH. This is butyric acid. Butyric acid is a Rene acid. It contains butyrum. The source is butyrum. That's why it is called butyric acid. If branched chain and substituted acids are named as derivatives of normal parent acids, the position of substance are indicated by Greek letters. The position of substance are indicated by Greek letters like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, so on. For example, alpha hydroxybutyric acid. In this is the COH group. The first carbon is alpha carbon, then beta, then gamma. That's why alpha hydroxybutyric acid. For example, here one more example is there. You can observe this. This one is alpha carbon, beta carbon, gamma carbon. Gamma carbon is having OH group. That's why gamma hydroxy, four carbons, butyric acid. Gamma hydroxy butyric acid is the common system. And now second system is also there. That second system is called as derived system. Second one is derived system. In derived system, sometimes carboxylic acids are named as alkyl derivatives. Alkyl. derivatives of acetic acid, alkyl derivatives of acetic acid. You know the formula of acetic acid, CH3COH. For example, I am taking CH3CH2COH. CH3CH2COH. From this method, this CH3CH2COH is called as methyl acetic acid. Methyl acetic acid. Methyl acetic acid. For example, C6H5COH, this is called as phenyl acetic acid. For example, here this compound is called as dimethyl acetic acid. Dimethyl acetic acid. This is the second method. Then now the third method is IUPAC system. What is this IUPAC system? In the IUPAC system, the functional group name or suffix name of carboxylic acid is oic acid. Oic acid. The oic acid is the suffix name of carboxylic acids. So the aliphatic carboxylic acids are called as alkanoic acids. Alkanoic acids. Here simply alkane we remove E. In alkanes we remove A and adding oic acid. Oic acid is called alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acid means in alkanes E is replaced by oic acid. For example, HCOOH. HCOOH. HCOOH is called as methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. CH3COH. According to IUPAC system, CH3COOH is ethanoic acid. What is this? Ethanoic acid. For example, CH3 benzene ring is having COOH group. This is called as benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. For example, this compound is called as 4-bromo 4-bromobenzoic acid. 4-bromobenzoic acid. Or also we can call as para-bromobenzoic acid. Para-bromobenzoic acid. If the substituents are there, for example, you can observe this example. You can give the numbering. First priority goes to carboxylic carbon, that is 1, then second, and then third and fourth. 4 carbon here, second carbon is having bromo group and third carbon is having methyl group. You can call as 2 bromo 3 methyl, 2 bromo 3 methyl, 4 carbons are there. Can call as, what is this, 2 bromo 3 methyl butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. You can write number of examples. You can also write number of examples. For example, I am writing some examples here. You can observe these examples. For example, benzene, COOH, CH3. Orthotolic acid. What is this? Orthotolic acid. For example, this CH3 group from para position you can call as paratolic acid. Now this one is paratolic acid. COOH CH3. Paratolic acid. Tolic acid. Paratolic acid. For example, this CH3 group is at CH3 group at meta position COOH, and this CH3 group is at meta position you can call as metatolic acid. Also, you can write number of examples like cinnamic acid, salicylic acid, terephthalic acid. You can write number of examples. For example, I am writing cinnamic acid. Here one more example. For example, CH double bond CH COOH. What is this? Cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid. And then you can write also salicylic acid, terephthalic acid, phthalic acid. You can write number of examples. Uh, Thank you very much.